Hello intuitive soul, welcome. It's been a really long time since I've done a video, and I thought I would get on this special day, auspicious day of being the first day of the Chinese New Year in the water tiger. So where we're starting the whole new cycle of 13 moons lunar year again, and today is the new moon in Aquarius. I think at just up of 4:30 today will be PM Eastern Standard Time, Sydney, Australia, that is, will be the new moon. So the new moon in Aquarius is here, which is an air sign, although it's a water bearer, and being the water tiger, it's a lot around emotions, the emotional body, and really having that fearless energy to move through the emotions of the collective, of yourself, really having that agility and spirit, the spirit of the tiger to help us through these times. Tigers are really auspicious, and they're daring, they're courageous. You know, the cat family, they're very independent. It's wonderful time to be your unique, beautiful self and really shine your light as who you are. Getting out of the mind that we all have to be, you know, the same or similar, or have similarities in order to get along. That's just absolutely not true. The world is really needing your uniqueness right now, so bring forth that energy. And I find this time, this new moon, is such a wonderful time to continue to ask yourself, what is important for me? What is important to me? Because as you find and as you know yourself and begin to really uncover those layers of self, of what you enjoy and what is important to you, you get to shine your spirit and from your heart. And what that does is ultimately attract into your life all the people that resonate with that frequency, and you'll find a beautiful integration and community that way. So yeah, asking yourself that question is a wonderful thing. New moons, you can expect, if you sit in meditation or sit quietly, you can expect to definitely receive a lot of new insights, new information from the cosmos, new inspiration, new ideas, and really allowing yourself to implement them in your own unique way, because we also have Saturn still hanging around in very close to Earth at the moment. We also have this wonderful opportunity, just being the new year again, for a fresh new start. So what is it that you want to start doing? What is it that, who is it that you want to be? How do you want to show up in the world? It's all available to you at all the time. You don't have to wait for a new year or a new moon to do that, although the energy is definitely in your favor when you do. So give yourself some quiet time. Aquarian energy is all air energy. It's about your thoughts, so receiving those ideas and inspirations and really acting on them before the ego mind. Sorry, battery went out. So it's receiving those energies and those ideas and really acting on them before the ego mind steps in and says, oh, you can't do that, or that won't work, or any of those thoughts. Before any of those thoughts come in, just go, write it down, act on it. And it doesn't have to be a huge step, it just be one step at a time. And you'll just see it unfold. It's such beautiful energy right now to do that. So I'm wishing you a very happy Chinese New Year, Kung Ngai Fa CHOI, or Kung Si Fa Cai, and my best wishes to you in all your happy health and good health, in love, happy love, and prosperity, wealth, and really just connecting with each other and finding your community and your loved ones to share life with. See you soon.